Welcome to Pattern Magic Studio. Now our pattern available if you want to print it in A4, A0 or US letter. But today I'm going to show you how to print and assemble in A4 paper. So the first thing first, when you purchase our pattern, you need to have Adobe Acrobat to open the pattern. Otherwise, you are not going to be able to see it. Now, if you don't have any Adobe Acrobat in your computer, you are welcome to go to adobe.com, install it for free.
On the left, to open the layer panel, click on the layer icon to hide the sizes you don't want to print. Uncheck the layers equals size boxes. Print settings. Try Microsoft PDF or Adobe PDF. Printed in black and white to save ink. Scale to 100%. Do not overlap. And do not print double-sided. Check your paper type. Save as new file. Here is, you are ready to go print.
Today I'm going to show you how to assemble our pattern. First thing first, when you decided to print it in A4 paper, you need to read our first paper instruction. It will show you how to basically measure the scaling before you're cutting your fabric. So you can see here, I already print out one of our pattern in A4 paper. Now it looks quite intimidating because it's a bunch of numbers and letters next to each other. The first thing is assemble it based on the letters and based on the numbers. As you can see here, I have A1, A2, A3, and A4, and so forth. And next to it is B1, and then next to it is C1. So when you assemble the pattern, you can see it's a bunch of lines. And you can see here in the corner, there's this little square corner where you need to make sure that all the lines match together. For example, so this is my A1 paper. This is pretty much the first pattern. When you want to assemble it to the A2, what you can do is you can see this line here. So this line, now this line needs to connect with the next paper. So the A1, A2, A3. So the A1, A2 on the bottom, A2 on the top, you need to match the bottom A2 with the top A2. And then you can just pin it like this. And you can do that with the A3, A4, and so forth. Now, move on to the next line, which is the B1 line. As you can see here, this one, it's have the B on it, the B letters. What you can do is match this dot to this B1 line. Pin it, and then you can see they all match and so forth. Same with the B1 and C1. You match the line together. Now you can see that we already connect all the pattern using a clear tape, as you can see here. Now the next step is for you just to cut the pattern. For all European customer, we also provide A0 printing service. So if you don't have any A0 printing service near your area, you can just contact us and we're happy to provide you with the service. Yep, now so as you can see, we assembled our A4 pattern pretty much. So it's very easy, very simple. If you have any questions, just email us or let us know beforehand. And happy sewing!